You've taken a great step by joining our association, but I'm going to challenge you to take one more now that you're here. There are many benefits and many reasons why you join the association, but the absolute best thing you can do now that you're part of the family is to become engaged and get involved.
We always say that wood is not a product, but it's an experience. You'll get what you can from it, but if you give, you'll get more. So I think that's what I try to encourage people to join AWI.
I think being involved with the local chapters is very important to just get with more localized groups of people, businesses, and kind of help to further the cause of AWI and spread it locally.
We look forward to seeing you get engaged, because the way for you to make the most of your AWI membership is to become active. And once you become active, you will be part of the family and experience all that is here to be had. Welcome and thank you for becoming part of AWI family.